Do you create quotes for your clients by hand? Or do you use very expensive software or Excel files? Then My Business is here for you. My Business is a function that allows you to create quotes for your clients for free and in complete confidentiality. Let's explore further. Wolseley's name does not appear on any of your quotes, and your customers will not know that you use Wolseley's platform to create their quote. Your Wolseley price will not appear on your final quote, and the information you enter in the My Business function remains strictly confidential. Neither Wolseley nor other users associated with your account will be able to access your quotes unless permission is granted by you. To access this function, go to the drop-down menu on My Wolseley and click on My Business. If you don't see this feature in the drop-down menu, you can request to have it added to your profile by contacting your Wolseley representative. If this is your first time, click on My Company Settings icon to set up your company settings such as your logo, address, email address, and standard notes. Once complete, click on Save Changes. Your company information will appear in each quote created going forward, saving you time. We are now ready to create your first quote. To begin, click on New Quote. From the My Company Information drop-down menu, select the appropriate address or add a new address. Enter the customer's information. If the ship and sell information is the same for the customer information, check off the box. Enter the quote number, the date, the purchase order number if provided, and any notes, such as your own terms and conditions. Next, add the products to your quote. You can select your products by importing from a list, a web quote, a draft order, as well as CSV file upload. What is great about this feature is, you can also add products that are not from Wolseley. Once you have entered all the products to your quote, enter the applicable taxes and the markup or profit margin you want to add on the products, then click Continue. Your list will open up in a new window allowing you to change product descriptions and quantities. You can also add custom notes for each item, change prices and exempt certain products from taxes, and add additional products. You can also add a field for labor by entering the number of hours in the quantity. Add additional charges such as delivery charges or installation charges. Then enter the discount and required deposit amount. Once you have entered everything in your quote, click Generate Quote. Your quote will appear in PDF format where you can save the quote on your computer and print it or email to the customer directly from WolseleyExpress.com. The My Business feature allows you to create as many quotes as you want and save them in the closed quotes once they are finalized. Need support? Visit our Wolseley Express How to Use Guides section or click on the Send Feedback link. You can email us at support@wolseleyinc.ca, call our customer service team at 1-888-290-6318, or use the contact form to reach us. For all account questions, please email us at credit@wolseleyexpress.com for further assistance.